This Coldwell Banker Bisceglia Realty Company property video is presented by Kevin J. Bisceglia. Beautiful, like new home with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms in New Tazewell, Tennessee. The open floor plan makes it easy to stay connected to family and guests while cooking or cleaning the kitchen. The owners added custom cabinetry to make the kitchen even more functional and convenient. This is the perfect first home for a growing family. Make sure this one is a must-see on your list. For more information, review the details below or contact Kevin J. Bisceglia at 606-248-4932.